Very welcome to the weekly roundup of the altcoins, and the basis of this is the trading navigator developed by Harm van Wijk. I would like to point you to this interesting software because here we have very nice buy and sell signals on a weekly basis to capture the explosive upside trends. And below this video, there you see a link to um, the trading navigator. Here we see Cardano, and the first one in a row, and here we see a buy arrow, and it was 3 weeks ago. No reconfirmation yet. And the next one is Eternity, no buying signal yet, and that's because there are no sufficient data still. Algorand is the next one in queue, and normally it should load very quickly. Algorand also the same, no data, sufficient data yet. And here is Ardor, same Atom, same bet, BCD on a weekly basis. And there we see Bitcoin Diamond. It is trading now around $0.80, and it has generated buy arrow also 3 weeks ago. And Bitcoin Cash moving quite higher, still a buy, but no re-entry yet, because when it's a re-entry, we should see a blue arrow below this bar. The current bar is no current bar still. So the next one in the line for the first one, Binance Coin, BNB, also 3 weeks ago. Binance Coin, the same. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. And what I'm looking for actually is a arrow. For now, Byton, this is a sell. This is not a good sign, of course. One of the few sell arrows. This one, Centrality, CNN, CNNZ. There is a nice buying opportunity at this moment at 10 cents almost. So CENNZ, that is my first pick for today. Dash, privacy coin, a few weeks ago. And then we have to take a look for more buying opportunities. Here as well, Ethereum, a re-entry. Last week we also bought this Ethereum. Today, re-entry again. Ethereum is number 2. Would like to come up to 3 at least for today. Would be great, of course. IOTA also a sell. That's not a good sign. KNC, this is also explosive. Last week was a red candle, before that also, but the buy arrow was already generated at the end of December. Link still going strong. Decentraland as well. Decentraland is also a buy arrow. Maker 632 re-entry, but what I'm looking for actually is new fresh buy signal, and that is very rare, of course, nowadays to find. Still a few altcoins. Sia coin as well. It's the next re-entry. So new fresh buying arrows, I don't see that too much. So I have to take a look for more confirmations. Take a look. Wow, XC is also zooming higher. It was also one of my favorite picks. And the rest Let's take a look here. Zcash. Zilliqa. Zilliqa was before a very good coin, but not anymore. OX 0x link, and there it is. So only a few coins are being are interesting to enough to buy, and I hope that you enjoyed this short video. If you would like to take a look for more information, go to our website cryptoacademy.nl, and for the Trade Navigator I refer to you to our link below this video. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Ciao.